Once you're done cleaning your floors, place the FloorMate jet on the rinse and storage tray. Fill up the cup to the max fill line and pour it in right here. And then recline the unit and turn on, letting all that water rinse out the FloorMate jet, rinse out the brush roll, the nozzle, and the system of any debris left over. Keep on for 15 seconds before putting it back in the upright position. Turn the unit off, and next we're gonna let the parts dry. Remove the nozzle, the brush roll placed in the drying rack. You can prop up the nozzle to let it finish air drying. Next, remove the dirty water tank to dump out any leftover liquid or debris. Rinse out the tank and the tank lid before putting back on. Make sure to also rinse out the filter with a mild detergent and water. Let it dry completely for 24 hours before putting it back on the tank and the tank back into your FloorMate jet.